Peach cobbler is a timeless summer dessert, and making it vegan doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or texture. This vegan peach cobbler recipe is simple, delicious, and perfect for any occasion. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, you'll find this recipe easy to follow and rewarding to make. Let's dive in. You'll need a 9 by 13-inch baking pan to bake it in, and for the peach filling you'll need 6 or 7 ripe peaches, sugar, brown sugar, lemon juice, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and cornstarch or arrowroot powder. And for the topping you'll need all-purpose flour, sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, salt, vegan butter, non-dairy milk such as almond, soy, or oat milk, and apple cider vinegar. First, to start off, we'll prep the peaches by peeling and slicing them. You'll need about 6 or 7 ripe ones. Add them to the mixing bowl with the sugar, brown sugar, lemon juice, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, and a pinch of ground nutmeg. To thicken things up, mix in the cornstarch or arrowroot powder. Then, we'll just toss all those together until the peaches are evenly coated. Then transfer the mixture to a 9 by 13-inch baking pan, spreading it out as evenly as we can. To make the topping, in another bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add the chilled vegan butter to the dry ingredients. Using a pastry cutter or your fingers, cut the butter into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. In a small bowl, mix the non-dairy milk with the apple cider vinegar and let it sit for a minute to curdle slightly, creating a vegan buttermilk substitute. Pour the vegan buttermilk into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. The batter will be thick and slightly lumpy. To assemble the cobbler, drop spoonfuls of the cobbler topping over the peach filling, spreading it out as evenly as possible. It's okay if some peaches peek through the topping. Then to bake the cobbler. Place the cobbler in the 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 40 to 45 minutes, or until the topping is golden brown and the peach filling is bubbling. If the topping starts to brown too quickly, cover it loosely with aluminum foil and continue baking. Remove it from the oven and allow the cobbler to cool for at least 15 to 20 minutes before serving. This helps the filling set and makes it easier to serve. Serve it warm and enjoy your cobbler creation. This dessert is perfect for sharing with family and friends, and it's sure to become a summer favorite. If you want to get the full recipe, check out the link in the description below.